Is the Farcry 4 module DLL missing error hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. Don't let Farcry 4 module slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Farcry 4 module, the primary gameplay and engine logic module for Farcry 4, coordinating AI behavior, physics simulation, mission scripting, and asset streaming. It is a core executable component loaded early in the engine lifecycle. If missing or corrupted, the game may crash during startup sequences such as the press start screen, or fail to synchronize properly with Ubisoft Connect services. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Farcry 4 is part of a game or graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is hardware accelerated. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Farcry 4 module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. The version of Farcry 4 module DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing Farcry 4 module dependencies. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Farcry 4 module was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.